All right, so we've got eyeshadow on. Eyeshadow always looks a little wild before you have mascara and the rest of everything on. So hold tight. But that was from the Essential Eyes palette. And now let's talk about set number 11. So this is Going Places Makeup Kit. This is $42 and it has my next piece in it. So I'm going to be applying the mascara. This is, again, the mini Think Big mascara. It was in that other skincare set, the Best in Clean Heroes, I think. And we have a new Lid Glow cream eyeshadow. I'm just gonna swatch that for you since I already did an eye look with the powders. And this is a brand new shade, I believe. Yes, Lotus Shimmer in our Beyond Gloss. So I'm gonna do a whole gloss rundown here for you of demos. So I'm gonna hold off on showing you this, but let me get this out right now and I'm going to show you a swatch. Okay, so this brand new Lid Glow is called Solar. I love it. It like leans a little more gold, brownish gold than the others that we have. I'm just gonna swatch this for you because this is all a different kind of a look here. So let me just show you what this looks like, if I can catch the light right. It's definitely one of those like brightener shades, similar to Luster Gleam and Aura, just a little more gold brown. It's really pretty. It brightens the eye really well. I've already worn this one day to try it out. And again, I'll be doing more looks with these sets. So let me go curl my lashes, put on the Think Big mascara so you can see what this little mini can do. And again, I will be coming back to talk to you about or show you this Lotus Shimmer gloss with another set, wink, wink. Let me just jump in here really quick. So I've applied our mascara and I wanted to show you the wand. If you've never seen it before, the mini is gonna be the same. It's just a smaller, like actual wand end, but the applicator is the same. So it's the silicone brush that's more rigid. It's not the actual brush bristle of some mascara wands, and some people prefer that, and that's okay. I love this formula though. It curls the lash, it's buildable, and it doesn't make it clumpy. It helps you like get your lashes separated. It is a major win for me, but the thing to note is that first of all, I prep my under eye with powder. I did that before I got on here. So I use our mattifying powder to set my under eye concealer. I set my lids, so it helps with transfer. Once this mascara, if you give it, like literally go like this, let it help it dry, set your under eye and your lids, it is going to be on there and you're gonna need to use a oil cleanser to remove it. So just note that. Once it's on, it is on and it looks awesome. And then make sure that you have the correct kind of cleanser to remove it. So like our cleansing balm is an oil-based balm. Our cleansing oil from the Countertime line is an actual liquid oil. But yeah, it is a really, really great clean mascara.